1 group chat. 5 adults. 1 mission. Choose a restaurant. What follows is a true story. It is every true story. 6:02 p.m. Dana opens. Where do we want to eat Saturday? A strong start. Democratic. Doomed. 6:03. Mark replies, I'm easy. The most dangerous words in the language. Mark is not easy. Mark has vetoed 4 restaurants this year. Mark is a sleeper agent. 6:07. Priya suggests sushi. 2 thumbs up. Hope flickers. Then Mark, easy Mark, had sushi Tuesday though. The sleeper awakens. 6:15. Someone builds a poll. Civilization peaks. For options. The poll receives 3 votes. 1 from a person who is not coming, and then dies. Nobody speaks of the poll again. The poll is survived by its options. 6:40. Jake, silent until now, sends a link to a restaurant in another city. No explanation. The chat observes a respectful silence, the way you would for a man saluting the wrong flag. 7:19. 40 messages. The group has now discussed parking, a bad experience from 2019, whether vibes matter more than food, and one member's entire relationship with cilantro. Restaurants chosen 0. Dana quietly Googles how to leave a group you created. 8:03. And then Priya, tired, hungry, transformed, sends the message that ends all wars. Book the Thai place, 7:30 Saturday, table for 5. Be there. The chat erupts in relief. Perfect. So easy, says Mark. Democracy is dead, and everyone is thrilled. The lesson, and it is real. Groups do not want options. Options are homework. Groups want an exit. One concrete plan they can say yes to. So be the hero. Propose one place, one time, and watch 50 messages of suffering evaporate. Leadership is just going first. I will go first here too. Subscribe. There. Booked. See you in the next scribble.